here to deliver a first-class performance of Mr. Postman. Please welcome pop princesses, the Saturdays.
Tears standing in my eyes. You didn't stop to make me feel better by leaving me a card or a letter. Mr. Postman, look and see. Oh yeah. If there's a letter in your bag for me, please, please. Why's it taking such a long time? Why don't you check it and see one more time for me? You gotta wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
Weren't they brilliant, the Fantastic Saturdays?